Welcome to LaMonaca Law. It's November 2nd, 2020, 8 months into devastating world pandemic, elections tomorrow. There's a lot of fear, uncertainty in the world, but I want to bring you behind the scenes here at LaMonaca Law, what we've been doing this entire year. All of our team members have remained steady, have been working based on what we created last year, Virtual LaMonaca Law. No layoffs, no furloughs. In fact, we're hiring more people right now. We invested in our infrastructure, painted the entire building. We created 4 new offices and some pretty exciting stuff. Let me show you a little bit about it. At the beginning of the pandemic, we had hand sanitizers. We were cutting edge on leading the field in things that we would do for the coronavirus. Questionnaires for all our clients, glass, our film studio here. And just this past weekend, this used to be 3 offices behind this store. This is now going to be built out to be a dedicated film studio to have one-on-one interviews with our team members, other professionals, to educate you, to motivate you, to inspire you, to help you. That's my vision. That's what our core values are about. Coming down here, we created these 2 new office spaces to house our new conference room. It's going to be in here with various workstations that will be state-of-the-art technology for all our clients and all our team members. Come with me down here, and hopefully you're not getting dizzy. This is going to be another office, and finally come back to my office down here, which consists of what I like to call Control Central. Everywhere around here is my environment that I've been in every single day since the beginning of this pandemic, other than midweek where I work remotely. So our goal is to service our clients and to provide extreme value. We're here for you. Whatever may be going on in the world, we're here for you. And this is our passion. Every one of our team members are dedicated to serving, providing value, and we're committed to doing that. And if there's anything we can do for you, reach out to me personally. Reach out to any of our team members. Go online, utilize the free resources we have, and come in behind the scenes and learn more about each one of the amazing team members here at LaMonaca Law. My best to you. My thoughts and prayers go out to you and your family, and we hope that 2021 is beyond uplifting.